This is how you do absolute value. Alright? So absolute value and how to do squared functions or quadratics. They're a little bit the same, but a little bit different. Okay, with absolute value, okay, so what we're going to try to do here is we're going to try to get this thing by itself. Nothing can go inside this, nothing can leave it until everything around it is gone. So we're going to do PEMDAS backwards, meaning we're going to do the adding and subtracting first, then the division, and then we'll get to this. So first let's get rid of this 5. We're going to do that by adding 5 to both sides. This gives me 4, absolute value of x plus 8 equals 16. Okay? The next is to get rid of this 4. Well, we got to divide the 4 away. So now I have x plus 8 equals 4. So I only care about when this is done. So when this is done, there's nothing outside of it. I look at this. Is this a positive number? Yes. So I'm going to have two answers. I'm going to set this equal to a positive version of this, and this equal to a negative version of this. So it's going to be x plus 8 equals negative 4, and x plus 8 equals positive 4. From there we solve. So first I subtract the 8 from both sides. X equals negative 12. Then we do this. X equals negative 4. So our two answers here are x equals negative 4 and x equals negative 12. Over here, same ideas. Nothing can come in and out of this until we get everything else gone. But it's a little bit different how to get to the answer. So first we want to get rid of this 7. So we're going to add 7 to both sides. Okay, this becomes 3 x plus 5 squared equals 147. Now I want to get rid of this 3 multiplying. You can't distribute it because of that squared, so we're just going to get rid of it by dividing it away. So it becomes x plus 5 squared equals 49. Now, we're going to try to solve it like this. We're going to have two answers like this, but it's going to be a little bit different how we get it. This squared term is keeping us from being able to get to this x plus 5. So to get rid of it, we have to do the square root, because the opposite of a square term is a square root. Okay? So what a square root is asking is, what number times itself equals this 49? Well, 7. 7 is the number because 7 times 7 equals 49. But just like over here, we're going to have a positive and negative version of that number. So we're going to have to set x plus 5 equal to a negative 7. And we're going to have to set x plus 5 equal to a positive 7. Once we've done that, we just solve. So we subtract 5, x equals negative 12. Subtract 5 and subtract 5 again. X gives us 2. And that's how you do square terms and absolute value, how to solve them. Alright, thank you.